Hi mom. Hi, how are you all my dear first class gems? How are you all? Are you happy? Are you happy to stay at home? Okay children. Have you taken your breakfast? Hi, hello. Are you ready to listen the lesson? Yes children. Did you drink milk mom? Did you take breakfast? Have you taken breakfast? What did you eat in the breakfast? Yes, now time is 10 o'clock. Your breakfast is completed. Breakfast was completed, no children? What did you eat in the breakfast? Yes, we ate, you ate something like idli or dosa or puri like that. Isn't it? Children, we are all eat same kind of food? No, we are all eat different kinds of food. Like us, animals also eat different kinds of food. We already know that different animals eat different kinds of food like us. We do eat varieties of food every day. Like us, animals also eat varieties of food every day. Okay, are all animals need food like us? Yes, you are right. Animals also need food like us. They do living things like us. Okay, if they did not take food or eat food, they too may die like us. Animals too living things like us. If you do not take food for 2 days, what will happen to you? First we feel hungry, then our body may get sick, and later on we may die. So everyone needs food. Everyone needs food. Without food, can we live without food? No, we can't live. Yes, we need food. Why do we need food? Food gives you energy and helps us to grow and to keep our body to fit and healthy. So all living things need food to stay alive. Are all animals need food like us? Yes. Yes, your pet dog, donkey, buffalo, cow, oxen, lion and tiger, all of them need food to grow. Yes, food helps them to grow and to get energy. For doing lot of work, we need energy. We get energy from the food. We get food from the plants and animals. So animals too need food, we too need food, you too need food. All living things need food to stay alive. For doing work, for listening, for sleeping, for writing, for reading, for playing, for drawing, all activities we need food. Okay, today we shall learn more about eating habits of animals. Children, where do we live? We live. Where do we stay? Where do we sleep? Tell me, where do we sleep? Where do we live? Where do we stay? In our homes only. Can we live without home? No. No, we can't live without home. So how do we protect ourselves from the sunlight, heat and cold and rain? How do we protect ourselves? Tell me. Tell me. How do we protect from the sun, from the heat, cold and rain? Yes. Yes, we need a home. Home only protect us from sunlight, heat, cold and rain. Like that, all animals also need home to live. Okay, are they need shelter, ma'am? Are they need shelter? What about the animals? What about the animals? We observe different shelters for different animals. Okay, let us learn about the shelters of animals. Okay, now we shall learn more about the eating habits of animals and shelters. Animals and their shelters means homes. Okay, shall we start? Yes. Okay, yesterday what I taught eating habits of animals. All animals eat varieties of food like us. Okay, which animals eat grass and leaves of plants? Tell me. Cows, goat, buffalo, zebra, giraffe, elephant. All these animals eat plants and leaves of plants. Some animals eat plants and leaves of plants and grass. Some animals eat flesh of other animals. Some animals like lion, tiger, cheetah, wolf kill the other animals and hunt the other animals and eat the flesh. While some others eat both plants and flesh of other animals. Okay, lion kill the other animals and eat the flesh of other animals. Some animals like giraffe and elephant eat leaves of plants and grass. Okay, rabbit eats carrot, no children? Rabbit eat carrots and small grass, small plants. Bear, do you know bear? Bear eats all varieties of food. Yesterday you saw the video, no? I showed you one video, no children? Bear eat plants and also bear catch the fishes from the water and eat the flesh of other animals. Okay, and also frog. How does the frog catch the insect? By its long sticky tongue. Frogs to eat insects. Okay, frogs to eat insects. Okay, they catch the insects with the help of long sticky tongue. Okay, and all animals eat varieties of food, different kinds of food. They have different types of mouth parts. Is it clear? Now we shall learn about homes of animals. We need home. We stay happy and healthy in our homes, no children? Okay, and we stay lot of time in our home only. Yes, like that animals too need home. Generally some animals make home. Birds build a nest like that. Some animals are making homes. Some animals naturally live in their natural homes. Okay, some animals find homes for living. Are all animals need home like you? Yes. All animals also need home like us. Okay, home means shelter. Homes mean shelter. So shelter to keep themselves safe from sunlight, heat, cold and rain. Okay, some animals make their own houses. Birds build their nest. Okay, on their own. Okay, some animals live in natural shelters. For example, lion naturally lives in the den. Okay, rabbit make a burrow under the soil. Snakes lives in holes. Okay, natural shelters. Is it clear? Okay now. So see the blackboard. See the blackboard. What is the name of lesson? Animals, their eating habits and shelter. Okay, food and shelter. Shelter means home. What is the name of fifth lesson? Animals, their food and shelter. All animals eat different varieties of food. Like that, animals too need shelter. Shelter means what? Home. Home of the animal. Okay. Shelter means home. Okay. We need home like that. Some animals also find homes. Okay. In their surroundings. Okay. Let us learn about them. Okay. So see here, see the picture. Bird. Bird build nest on the top of the trees. Okay. Bird build a nest with the help of dry leaves. Okay, palm leaves, okay, and dry grass, okay, cotton, threads like that. So birds build a nest on top of the trees. They lay the eggs on the nest. Those eggs are hatch out and young ones come out. So baby birds, these are all the baby birds. Mother bird collects some food materials and gives to baby bird. So who build the nest, amma? Who live in the nest? Birds only. Okay, na? Only some birds build the nest. Okay, and quail, cuckoo does not build the nest. They lay the eggs in the crow nest. Is it clear? Next, see here, snakes lives in holes, no ants, snakes also live in the holes. This is the ant hill. Actually, snakes live in the holes. Ants, snakes, rats also live in the holes. Okay, see this picture. Insects like bees and butterflies. Okay, they make a beehive. Pattu, tene pattu. What is this? Tene pattu. So insects make a hive. This is called hive, beehive. Bees make a hive. What is there in the hive? Honey. They collect honey from the beehive. So bees also make a beehive. Is it clear, ma? On trees, branches of trees. Okay, some insects like bees and butterflies, honeybees, make a beehive. Okay, na? So they collect honey from the beehive. Okay, is it clear? Okay, honey is the sweet juice, no? Sweet substance, no? We use honey in our homes. We get honey from the beehive. Who made the beehive? Only honeybees and bees. So honeybees and bees live in hives, beehives. So see this picture. Lion and tiger naturally lives in the den. Bat also lives in the den. So lion and tiger naturally lives in the caves or den. This is the home of the lion and tiger. What is the home of a lion and tiger? Den. Den. Okay, and like that, rabbit makes a burrow under the soil, under the ground. Rabbit make a big hole for living. Okay, so rabbit lives in the burrow. Okay, na burrow, small tunnel. Okay, found under the soil for living. They make a big hole under the ground. That is called burrow. Which animals live in the burrow? Rabbits lives in the burrows. Okay, and some animals like monkeys. Where monkeys live on the trees. Okay, monkeys spend lot of time to live on the trees to find the food. Monkey lives on the trees. Monkey can swing on the branches of the tree, no children? So monkey also live on the trees, branches of the trees. So animals live in different places, ma. Some animals live natural homes, ma. Some animals make their homes, ma. Okay, na? So some animals make their own shelter. Okay, na? So we keep some animals in homes built by us. These are called man-made homes. Okay, na? Dog lives in a kennel. No, who made the kennel? Man only. Okay, na? So dog lives in the kennel. Parrot lives in the cage. Okay, these are all the man-made homes. Okay, na? People only made the homes. Okay, na? Kennel. Okay, made by man. Okay, dog lives in a kennel. This is the man-made home. Like that. Next, okay, dog lives in a kennel, and also yes, horse lives in a stable. Cows lives in a shed. This is the man-made home. Cows lives in a shed. Dog lives in a kennel. Horses also lives in a horse lives in a stable. This is the man-made homes made by man. All these homes are made by man for the animals. Dog lives in a kennel, cows lives in a shed, like that. Horse lives in a stable, hens live in a coop. Hens also lives in a coop. These are the man-made homes. Who made these? Man-made. So what are the man-made homes? Kennel, coop, shed, stable. Okay, we only provide the shelter for these animals. They cannot make their homes. Okay, we only provide homes for these animals. Dog lives kennel, cow lives shed, horse lives stable, like that. Cows lives in a shed, and these are the man-made shelters. Man only, people only made these homes. Okay, they cannot make the homes. That's why we only provide the shelter for them. Okay, na? So what we learn today? Let us revise. Homes of animals. All animals need homes like us. We too live in homes, no children. Our home protect us from rain, heat, cold, okay, and dust particles and germs. Like that, all animals also need shelter. Shelter means home. Some animals build their homes naturally. Birds build a nest. Birds build a nest. Okay, and snake live in the holes. Ants also live in the holes. Honeybees make a beehive. Okay, these are all the natural homes. These animals make their homes naturally. Is it clear? Lion lives in the den. Already in the forest, dens are made. Okay, now rabbit only make their home. Okay, they live under the soil, under the ground. Okay, now they make a big hole and live under the ground. That is called burrow. Okay, these are the man-made homes. Okay, now made by man. Kennel, stable. Okay, now and shed, coop. All these are made by man. Dog lives in a kennel. Okay, now parrot lives in a cage. Hen lives in a coop. Horse lives in a stable, like that. Cows lives in a shed. All these homes are made by man. We only provide the homes for them. They are not at all made the homes, making the homes. Is it clear, ma? All animals need home. Home protects them from the thieves, from the enemies, from the sunlight, from heat, from cold, from rain. Is it clear? All animals too need home. They too living things, no children? Like us, they too need food, they too need water, they too need a shelter. Shelter means home. We too all need homes, no children? We are all living the homes. Like that, all the animals also need home. Home protect us from sunlight, heat, cold, okay, and thieves. We stay in our home at night time also, children. Like that, all the animals also need home. Okay, home protects them from heat, cold, and rain. Okay, na? And other dangerous animals. Is it clear, amma? Okay, okay. Stay home, stay healthy, stay safe. Okay, bye. See you later.